Hello and welcome to the SketchList 3D video guide. SketchList helps you brainstorm, plan, and execute your creative projects. In a series of videos, I will explain the structure of 3D projects and the tools available to make them. When you create a new project, you will see this image in the design panel. This is the assembly of your project. The floor here is your project. If we delete assemblies by selecting and clicking the delete key, we will not be able to add anything. For example, if I want to insert a drawer or door directly into a project, nothing will happen. Similarly, when I click on the Add Board button, I get notified to add the assembly first. To do this, simply click on the Objects panel, then click on the Add button and select Assembly. We will discuss the library and cabinet wizard later. This will create a container that sets boundaries for your project. You can then edit the assembly however you want, for example resizing it. You can also add doors, drawers, or hardware to this assembly to create your design. To add another assembly, simply follow the same procedure. SketchList 3D will automatically add another assembly here, which you can resize as needed. Here is a spreadsheet of assembly designs. To select an assembly, first select it from the design panel, then click here. You will notice that the floor now disappears. Once you have finished creating the assembly, you can add drawers by clicking here. Here, you can customize the details of your drawer, such as its size and location. When you are finished, you will see the container for your drawer here. Similarly, if you want to add a door, the process is the same. I will move its location using the pointer here. Here I will add the door dimensions. You can also add boards to your assembly. It's really simple, just select the target, then click on the board icon in the top left corner of your screen. A window will open with your board information section. Enter your board name, select the object where you want to insert your board. I will choose the door for this example, and select the materials for your board. Finally, you need to enter dimensions of your board and click the Add Board button when done. Here you can see the final look of your design. Win more bids, spot the mistakes early, and pull advanced reports with SketchList, a complete 3D design software for all your wood project needs.